Coffee with the mighty movement time. So let's talk about Onpassive vision, shall we? In this module, we'll delve into Onpassive vision for empowering entrepreneurs and businesses with cutting-edge technology. We'll explore the company's commitment to providing automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Onpassive envisions a future where businesses and entrepreneurs can leverage technology to optimize their operations, enhance productivity, and drive growth. It's important to stay up to speed on this digital transformation in order to stay competitive in the new economy. Onpassive automation solutions enable businesses to automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflow, and improve operational efficiency. This and it takes the human error factor out of it, saving time, resources, and allowing employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. Onpassive harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to provide intelligent insights and data analytics. AI-powered solutions can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth. Onpassive integrates machine learning to provide intelligent insights and predictive analytics to better customize customer and business owner experience. The machine learning algorithms learn from data, adapt, and optimize processes over time, leading to enhanced performance and customer satisfaction. Onpassive's long-term vision includes helping everyone make money and create equity to a certain extent. As Mufara loves humanity with one of the products he's helping to eliminate global hunger. They're also incorporating technology like blockchain, augmented reality, and the Internet of Things. Blockchains like Bitcoin are an impressive enterprise. If you don't understand it, comment below. If you do understand it, also comment below.